Not everyone on your team needs to see your margins. Your site supervisor needs the schedule and the photos, not your profit on the job. Go to contacts, subbies, and suppliers, then team members. Every team member has a permissions panel. Open Sam's. He runs our sites. Everything he can see and do in Paperless is a switch in here, grouped by area, projects, scheduling, invoicing, documents. And here's the money switch. Under Invoicing, flip View Invoices off, and any reporting access with it, then save. The financial side of Paperless simply disappears for Sam. The finance menu, contract values, margins, the lot. He keeps the schedule, the site diary, the photos, and the defects. Everything he needs to run the site, and nothing he doesn't. Set it once when someone joins, and it's handled. Real access for your team. Commercial information kept to the people who should have it. No awkward conversations. No spreadsheets floating around. Next up, connecting your email.